So in this video we're going to compare the top two mobiles from the Android and Apple side. One is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the other one is iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video with the display comparisons. First we'll start with the comparison of prices, because that's the thing which we have to know first. This Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra mobile was priced at, for the base variant 12GB RAM 256GB internal storage variant, was priced at exactly 1 lakh rupees in Amazon. And this iPhone 16 Pro Max was priced at the base variant, the 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage variant was priced at 1,19,000 rupees, almost 1,20,000 rupees. So now we will start the comparison with the display. This S24 Ultra mobile comes with a 6.8 inches of bigger dynamic AMOLED 2X display, and it is an LTPO AMOLED display. And it is a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus supported 10-bit display, protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. But this iPhone 16 Pro Max mobile comes with a slightly bigger 6.9 inches of huge display, and it is also a 120Hz refresh rate supported 10-bit Super Retina XDR Pro display. So these two are the displays and mobiles displays. When we talk about the processor, these two mobiles comes with a different process, where this S24 Ultra mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is the top-end processor from the Qualcomm side, and it is an octa-core 5G processor. This iPhone 16 Pro Max mobile comes with the A18 Pro Bionic, which is the most powerful chip from Apple in the mobiles. So these two mobiles are available in different storage variants. Like this S24 Ultra mobile is available in 12GB RAM 256GB internal storage and 12GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants, where this iPhone 16 Pro Max mobile comes with 8GB RAM 128, 8GB RAM 256, 8GB RAM 512GB and also 8GB RAM 1TB internal storage variants. When we talk about the cameras, this is the section which you have to take a deep look, because this mobile comes with the quad cameras, this mobile comes with the triple cameras at the rear. First of all, let's start with this Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra mobile's cameras. It comes with a 200 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 10 megapixels of periscopic zoom camera and 12 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera, and also a 12 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera with optical image stabilization. Where this iPhone 16 Pro Max mobile comes with a 48 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 12 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera and a 48 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. When we talk about the front facing selfie cameras, these two mobiles comes with the same 12 megapixels of front facing selfie cameras. And when we talk about the battery, to power up these two beast mobiles we need a bigger batteries. This Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra mobile comes with a 5000 mAh of huge battery, and it supports 45 watts of fast charge through wire, 25 watts of wireless and 15 watts of reverse wireless charge. Where this iPhone 16 Pro Max mobile comes with a bigger battery, from Apple they are saying like we improved the performance and the capacity of the iPhone 16 mobile's battery from the last generation, but we exactly don't know the milliamp hours. But we do know that these supports QI, QI, the wireless charge and MagSafe charge sub features. When we talk about the other features, like these two mobiles comes with a stainless steel and titanium build bodies and front back glasses, so durability is awesome. And when we talk about the other features, like these two mobiles comes with the IP68 water and dust resistance, and these two mobiles also comes with all the features like NFC, Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support. And when we talk about the operating system, this S24 Ultra mobile runs on Android version 14 out of the box with One UI 6.1, where this mobile runs on iPhone 16 Pro Max mobile runs on iOS 18, the latest iOS from Apple. When we talk about the box contents, this S24 Ultra mobile comes with the mobile itself and a cable, Type-C to Type-C cable and SIM ejector tool and some quick start guides or something like that. That's it. Where this iPhone 16 Pro Max mobile also comes with a Type-C to Type-C cable. Yes, Type-C to Type-C cable and SIM ejector tool and some quick start guides and something like that. That's it. And one more thing, that they are removed the Apple stickers from this version of iPhone. That's the thing we have to remember. So So these are the major features of this mobile. So I think you get a good idea and understanding between these two mobiles. So let me know in the comment section down below which video do you want to see from my channel next, and I'll hit the subscribe button and also the share button and hit the like button.